Welcome back to the channel, and hello everyone. The VN800 that you all decided to Mad Max the other week, or the other month actually, the video's about a month old now. We have gone for a hand shift on this. I really want a bike with a hand shift on it and a hand clutch. It's a really old school way of riding a motorcycle, and I really like old school things. So we've gone for an old school hand shift gear lever. We manufactured this today. Today is Sunday, and everyone else is out riding their bikes. I can hear them whizzing past the farm that my workshop's on, and I'm thinking I'm in the workshop working on my bike, mainly because in the week I teach and I then work on other people's bikes for a living, and Sundays is my day to work on my machines. This is what we manufactured today. We manufactured this bar out of a piece of this sort of steel, 20 mil by a few mil thick, okay? What we've done is we have used the old gear lever here, and we've come up and drilled holes in it, bent it around the tank so it takes the shape of the tank. We've drilled the holes to add lightness, not to make it look pretty, although I do think the old school, it looks like an old fighter bomber sort of lightness look. But we're at a quandary, and the quandary is we don't know, I am unsure of how I should mount a gateway bracket. So a gateway bracket is like you would get in a car, a H-gate, or on the old 40s, 20s, 30s, 40s Harley Davidson, well actually the 30s and 40s Harley Davidsons, that would have the hand gear lever, that would have a bracket on the tank that held this still so it didn't flop about. And the question I'm asking you as my viewers, as the people that engaged in this in the first place, is do I mount my gateway on the tank, or do I mount my gateway with a bar here and some sort of pivot? Because at the moment, when I change gear and it springs back, it flops around and doesn't find its seat, which is going to cause me a plethora of problems later on. It could do the output shaft seal, the gear selector input shaft seal. It could end up snapping or bending. So I need to make that sturdy. So the next decision I need you all to make is how you think I should manufacture this bracket for this bike. Let me know in the comments below. And again, please like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Ball bags. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for watching. I ballsed up again.